Welcome to another one of our available apartments. This is our Habersham 3-bedroom model. This is apartment 702. It's on the first floor. As we walk in here, we'll see the coat closet right ahead of us. And this one's interesting. It has the master bedroom right to the left as you walk in. Spacious master bedroom with a beautiful view. Large walk-in closet with foot racks, shoe racks, and our upgraded bathroom, which has the granite countertops and large sinks and a garden tub. This is one of our fully renovated units. As you can see, the hardwood floors. And I already showed you the granite countertops in the bathroom, but here you can see our granite countertops, upgraded cabinets, and stainless steel appliances with a microwave, and our large open bar. Check out the new lighting we have in here in our upgraded units. And this unit comes with a washer and dryer and a small pantry right here. I love these stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet space. Look at that huge drawer. This is the coat closet, as I was saying. And here is the large open living room. As with all of our units, we have a sunroom, lots of natural lighting, and our patio with a 3x5 storage unit out back. This apartment has a perfect location as it's surrounded by woods. Very nice and quiet back here. Then going through the living room, we see the large dining room. And in the back to the left, we have the other two bedrooms. This is the bedroom on the left. Closet space, large open window with a linen closet and the HVAC. And then it shares a bathroom with the other bedroom. And once again, you're gonna have our garden tubs and the upgraded granite countertops in the bathroom. Now to the third bedroom. It's right to the end of the hall with two windows, lots of light, and also a walk-in closet. The entry to this bathroom is right behind the opening of the door, and that's the bathroom that will be shared with the other bedroom down the hall. Now you can see the large open kitchen with a nice long bar as we're going back outside. So what do you think? Number 702, the Habersham 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Thank you for visiting.